If you're taking glucosamine, turmeric, fish oil, and your arthritis pain is still there, this video might completely change how you treat your joints.
Did you know arthritis isn't just a sign of aging? It affects over 58 million adults worldwide. Let's break down the two most common types of arthritis and how they affect your body. Osteoarthritis is essentially wear and tear on your joints over time. Rheumatoid arthritis, however, is an autoimmune attack. Both can make daily tasks difficult, whether it's opening a jar, climbing stairs, or just getting a good night's sleep. First, let's look at glucosamine and chondroitin. While popular, research often shows mixed results, with only a small benefit, if any, for most users. Next is curcumin. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, but it has a major weakness: poor absorption. Without help, it mostly just bounces off your gut wall. The secret is pairing it with black pepper extract, which acts like a key to unlock absorption and get it into your system. For fish oil, dose matters. To see real results for your joints, you typically need a high-quality source providing 2 to 3 grams of EPA and DHA daily. Finally, boswellia is a hidden gem. It's incredibly effective at dousing the fire of joint inflammation directly. But the supplement I'm about to show you doesn't just reduce inflammation, it helps rebuild cartilage and reduces pain perception. Almost nobody connects these dots. It's called SAMe. It works like NSAIDs without the NSAID damage. It stimulates cartilage production and reduces joint inflammation. Plus, pain and mood are connected. SAMe addresses both. Why don't doctors talk about it? There's no pharma incentive and results take time. For the best results, take 600 to 1200 milligrams a day on an empty stomach. Make sure it's enteric coated. You can stack it with fish oil, boswellia, or B-complex. Remember, supplements work best with movement, a Mediterranean diet, and stress management. Dealing with joint pain can be overwhelming, but I want you to remember something. You are not broken. Your body is resilient and your joints can improve. It's about the right movement and mindset. Pain should not decide how you live your life. You have the power to take control. Subscribe for more arthritis management tips and share your journey in the comments below. Let's get moving together.